Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're here back on the Raymore Reviews channel. If you're new to the channel, first of all, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like the video, comment on the video, and share as well. Also go over to my Instagram page. That's Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and follow me there as well. You get, regular updates, a little extra there, stuff that are not on YouTube necessarily. So we're right here on King Street, downtown Kingston, just past the Supreme Court on the right. So just doing a downtown drive, showing you guys the shopping district. On a sunny afternoon, how downtown looks. So again, King Street, downtown Kingston. Showing you guys the shopping district. And again, guys, remember to leave your comments on this driving video tour of downtown Kingston. So now we're at, right here is popular known as Parade. So this is one of the bus terminal. And again, we're on King Street. Right in front of us is the park. So the park is designed in a circular oval, so we'll go around the circumference of the park as well. So Parade on my left, buses to bring you to different parts of Kingston. And this is a part of the shopping district downtown. A Burger King in front of us. Again, guys, when you're driving, just ensure you're extra safe, extra cautious on the road. You're not only looking out for yourself, because these roads have some crazy drivers. So again, we're going around the park, the circumference of the park. And this is the other side of the parade. So one is North Parade, one is South Parade. And this is where most of the yellow bus, as we'd call them, or the JUTC buses would park. Some of these go Arbor View and places like that. So again, we're driving around the circumference of the park. Just showing you guys just a glimpse of downtown on a sunny afternoon. Nowadays, breaking the stop lights, seems to be the norm. Persons don't really comply anymore. Alright, I don't think I mentioned the name of this park. Let's see how many persons in the comment section knows the name of this park. Let me see While watching, just comment the name of this park that we're going around. Let me see who knows Kingston, who knows Jamaica. Alright guys, so hope you're able to get a good glimpse of this area. Now we're gonna head into the direction of Crossroads. And then directly in front of us as well, we have Captain's Bakery. Captain Horace Burrell. This was one of his business initiative. To be honest, my opinion, but I don't think Captain's Bakery has the same following and liking as it had years ago. And then now with the unfortunate passing of the boss, Captain Horace Burrell, then I'm sure that, you know, less traction is even there to the Captain's Bakery brand. They also had the grill section where they did lunches. This one in downtown Kingston has closed down. I see they're doing work. They may have sold the complex, I don't know. It could be a new tenant coming in as well. I think it may be a new tenant. Because honestly, persons hardly go to Captain's Bakery, whether for lunch, food, cakes. Persons hardly go there. And there's just a few branches remaining. But let me know what you guys think about that. You know, because from time to time, if you guys, you know, follow economics and follow the business in Jamaica, you know, from time to time you have businesses which literally die. Whether it may be that they're not innovating or moving with the time or technology or social media. But, you know, from time to time business do die, you know, and become bankrupt, or they just have to close down, or whatever the case may be. This also happens on the international scene as well, not only Jamaica. And again, you have to watch the road, persons crossing, vehicles moving, all works. That was a bring security collecting the money. Gotta make that money. Alright guys, so again, leave your comments. Not a very long video, it was just a quick, you know, run through of certain areas of downtown. We started on King Street. So remember to leave your comments, guys. So passing the intersection of Beeson Street. And then this is the intersection at Charles Street. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on another video.